Prabhedas in Kuchipudi. First one, Samammu, looking straight. Second one, Allokitamu, looking round. Third one, Sachi, look at one side. Fourth one, Prallokitamu, looking both sides. Fifth one, Nimilitamu, half close eyes. Sixth one, Ullokitamu, looking up. Seventh one, Anarvitamu, looking up and down. Eighth one, Avalokitamu, looking down. Thank you.